Archaeology. Total allocation of the Department of the Archaeology has been increased by 19.33% and is 47.59 crores. सभापती महोदय, फुडले पिळगे खातीर आमचे गोयचे दायज सांबाळून दवरप हें सरकारचें मुखेल लक्ष आसा. हाल्ली आमी मुळात छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजान बांदिल्ले सप्तकोटेश्वर देवळाचो जीर्णोद्धार केला. साखळेचो किल्लो आणि खोर्जुवे किल्ल्याचो जीर्णोद्धार करपाची प्रक्रिया सुरू आसा. उनो आमी काब दे राम किल्लो आणि वेर्णाचे सेंटर फॉर आर्ट एंड आर्किओलॉजी चो जीर्णोद्धार करपाचो येवजिला. हाज्या खातीर पुरातत्व विभागा खातीर 40 कोटी रुपयाची तरतूद केल्या. Speaker sir, I proposed to develop Goa's old capital Sandor as a heritage village which will showcase the rich history of Goa. I also proposed to take up the work of restoration of the famous fort at Famagudi. Speaker sir, in continuation of my commitment to the restoration of the temple demolished during the Portuguese regime, a provision of rupees 20 crores has been kept.